Pushing thousands of operational instructions into a single system prompt leads directly to degraded reasoning. Context windows bloat, agents lose focus, and complex enterprise workflows shatter under their own weight. The industry is replacing this brittle architecture with agent skills. These are self-contained capability packs that teach an agent how to execute multi-step procedures without requiring custom model fine-tuning. We are moving from bespoke prompt engineering to composable standard libraries, mirroring the architectural shift that occurred with NPM packages and VS Code extensions. To understand the mechanics of this shift, we have to deconstruct the technical anatomy of a skill folder, establish a hard boundary between skills and the model context protocol, and expose the structural vulnerabilities developers are currently ignoring. Scaling an agent's capability without modularity requires an exponential increase in prompt complexity, eventually exceeding the token limits and coherence of even the largest models. An agent skill is essentially a specialized directory. At its core is the SKILL.md instruction file, supported by a folder of sandboxed Python or JavaScript scripts, and a repository of reference schemas and templates. If an agent has access to hundreds of these procedural folders, loading them all at startup would instantly max out its context window and paralyze its reasoning capabilities. The solution to this context bloat is a mechanism called progressive disclosure. In the discovery phase, only a tiny footprint of YAML metadata, roughly 80 to 100 tokens, containing the skill's name and description, is loaded into the agent's baseline prompt at startup. When a user request is triggered that matches that specific description, the activation phase begins. The agent dynamically pulls the full markdown procedural instructions into its active processing stream. Finally, during the execution phase, any required secondary resources and bundled scripts are pulled entirely on demand to execute deterministic tasks inside an isolated environment. Progressive disclosure allows agents to keep hundreds of complex operational manuals on standby. The primary reasoning engine remains unburdened until a specific procedure is actually needed. There is a persistent misconception that agent skills compete with or replace the model context protocol. They do not. They occupy entirely different layers of the agent architecture. The stack begins with the model layer. This is Claude, GPT, or Gemini acting strictly as the core reasoning engine. Above that is the protocol layer, or MCP. This acts as the agent's hands and senses, providing raw connectivity to databases, APIs, and external file systems. The top tier is the procedural layer. This is where agent skills sit, overlaying structured logic gates, operational policies, and step-by-step standard operating procedures. MCP provides the physical connection to a tool. The agent skill provides the business logic dictating exactly when and how to use it. Giving a raw reasoning model unconstrained MCP tool access leads directly to erratic behavior and hallucinations. The structured procedural layer is what converts raw connectivity into reliable enterprise automation. To prevent this ecosystem from fracturing into proprietary silos, the industry is aligning around open specifications, like agentskills.io, designed to eliminate vendor lock-in. This standardized architecture means a single capability pack can be shared seamlessly across competing runtime environments like Claude Code, Cursor, or the Gemini CLI. Developers are sourcing these through curated GitHub hubs like Volt Agent and live package managers like skills.sh, where a single terminal command installs a new behavior. We are seeing heavy adoption in high-stakes enterprise domains, specifically DevOps pipeline debugging, HIPAA compliance auditing, and automated financial procurement. The engineering of autonomous agents is shifting away from brittle, hard-coded scripts into a standardized cross-platform ecosystem of package management. This rapid adoption brings significant structural risk. Recent empirical research analyzing thousands of public agent skills found that 26.1% contain security vulnerabilities. Within that dataset, 13.3% of skills exhibit active data exfiltration patterns, and 11.8% contain mechanisms designed for privilege escalation. These breaches stem from a specific architectural flaw in the standard skill model, the consent gap. When a developer installs an agent skill, they grant it persistent, ambient trust. The bundled scripts operate in the background, allowing them to quietly abuse permissions and route sensitive data to unauthorized endpoints without triggering secondary user approvals. Attackers are also utilizing indirect prompt injection. They hide overriding, malicious instructions deep inside seemingly benign JSON schemas or YAML metadata, hijacking the agent's logic. This threat compounds when skills bundle executable code. The data shows that skills containing Python or JavaScript scripts are more than twice as likely to harbor severe flaws compared to pure Markdown instructions. The exact mechanisms that make agent skills powerful, modularity and ambient execution, introduce a unique multi-layered attack surface that traditional prompt defenses aren't designed to catch. Deploying agent skills safely in a production environment requires a proactive mitigation framework. Rule 1. Enforce strict data instruction boundaries. You must implement meta-prompts that force the agent to treat all external inputs strictly as untrusted data and never as executable commands. Rule 2. Require least privilege manifests. Developers must explicitly define and restrict file system access and allowed network domains directly within the skill's core configuration files. Rule 3. Use isolated sandboxing. Any code-heavy scripts must execute inside isolated, containerized environments, severed from ambient enterprise variables and sensitive API tokens. Rule 4. Maintain supply chain hygiene. Pin specific Git commit versions for your skills. Do not pull dynamic, unverified updates from open public registries. When these 4 constraints are applied, the layered agent stack operates as intended, combining the reasoning of the model, the connectivity of MCP, and the procedural logic of the skill securely. Deploying autonomous systems is shifting from prompt engineering to infrastructure management. Securing this procedural layer is now a standard requirement for moving these agents from the lab to production. Let us know in the comments what agent skills you are currently building or auditing, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve on enterprise AI architecture, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs.